Hi, Tash is Base again here. I'm back to share a little bit about nutrition in the 21st century. Now, you're probably watching this video because you are having some health issues and you want to live a better life. You want to get rid of all these things, or maybe you just desire a healthy life, and the day when you retire and when you're older, you just want good quality of life. Now, it's important then to get the right nutrients in our diet to be able to do that. Now, I've talked about the 4 essential categories of nutrients to sustain life, and the first one was water, the second one was your vitamin and mineral chains, the third one was protein chains, and then the fourth one, which is not well known, the others are quite well known, is that of GlycoNutrients. Now, 30 years ago, scientists did a study on the cells in your body, and they discovered the whole importance of the communication between your cells to be able to have a good immune system, because your cells are responsible in your body for regenerating any damage. Doctors were concerned about the quality of life that people have, and to sustain a healthy life. They were good in trauma handling and helping people through difficult stages, but the quality of life, sustaining a good life, was a challenge, and therefore this study was done. Now, in this study, quite a couple of important things came out. The study won 4 Nobel Prizes. It was a breakthrough technology, the study of GlycoNutrients. And if I should draw a simple drawing just to explain the concept, if these 2 circles represent 2 cells in your body, your cells in your body have trillions of tentacles on them, which we can refer to as transceivers, because that is what they do. Each one of them have a different message to send out, and they also have receivers. So if the other cell have a receiver, it might look something like that. Whenever something in your body, whether it's a virus, a bacteria, toxins, chemicals, an injury, those are things that destroy your body, and it destroys your body at the cellular level. So whenever something like that enters your body and it wants to destroy the cell, your cells need to communicate with the other cells and find a receiver to receive that message, so that in turn it can send out a good immune cell to destroy the intruder cell on the other side. The problem, however, that we have is that our cells don't have all the transceivers, and the reason for that is just because of the simple nutrition that we don't get, the nutrient GlycoNutrients or glycans. Now, what happens if they don't have the receivers? You might have a good protein that wants to enter your cells to feed your cells, but your cells might see it as an intruder cell and then destroy it. And the other way around as well. You might have an intruder cell coming into your body, and your cells, because they can't communicate properly, can't identify the intruder cells, see it as a good protein and allow it, and your body cells are being destroyed and damaged. And this is what ensures a good immune system. If your cells has that communication 100% in place, your immune system will be strong, and you will not have these normal health challenges that you have, and even with severe cases of health issues, this is needed for your body to repair itself. It's your immune system, and your body has the potential, if it gets the right nutrients, to repair itself. Now, the sad reality is that we need 8 of these glyconutrients in our diets, but in our food we only get 2 out of the 8 glyconutrients, which means our body cells function at about 25%, and that's shocking reality. The sad reality, however, is only in the last 48 hours that your fruits and veg ripen on the plant, these nutrients are being developed. Now, we all know, because of mass demand of food, our modern farming technology to supply that food, chemicals, pesticides, toxins in the air, and also treatment to help those fruit that's been picked 2 weeks before it's ripened to have a long shelf life and reach the supermarkets, and we have beautiful fruit, but the nutrients are being destroyed through this whole process. Now, if you go organic, you will find out that you plant your own food, and within 2 or 3 days you have to consume that, otherwise it just goes off. So these techniques has destroyed the nutrients in our cells. Now, what you need is a supplementation of GlycoNutrients to make sure this is something that your cells need for your immune system, for good communication. Without that, you cannot be sure of a healthy immune system and a good life. This is one of the most important nutrients that you need in your bodies every day. Thanks for watching my video. Should you want more information on this topic, this is just a tip of the iceberg, just trying to explain it to you. Send me a link. If you find the article interesting and valuable, share it with other people, and I'll see you back with my next video.